Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you are very fine. By the grace of Almighty, I am Aravindo Chandra Sikdar, English teacher, Bhal Mirzapur Haji Jamiluddin School and College, Gazipur Sadar Gazipur. Today I am going to take your class on grammar, class 8, subject English second paper. Today's lesson is voice, bachcho. Voice, bachcho. Dear students, in the previous class, we started voice and we learned rule 1, rule 2 and rule 3. We also learned voice change of tenses. Now today we will learn from rule 4 of voice change. So dear students, look at the book. Rule 4. At the time of changing voice from active to passive, usually preposition by is used. But after some verbs, preposition to add with may also be used instead of preposition by. ভয়েস পরিবর্তন করার সময় সাধারণত প্রিপজিশন বাই ব্যবহৃত হয়, কিন্তু কিছু কিছু ভার্বের পর প্রিপজিশন টু, অ্যাট, উইথ ইত্যাদিও ব্যবহৃত হতে পারে প্রিপজিশন বাই এর পরিবর্তে। ফর এক্সাম্পল, number 1, active voice, I know him. Now here, I subject, know verb, him object. Now here the passive voice is, the object of active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. Here, him, he. This is present indefinite tense. So the auxiliary verb will be is. Next, the past participle form of the verb know, known. Next, preposition to. Now, the subject of active voice becomes the object of the passive voice. Here I, me. So here the passive voice is, he is known to me. Here, remember that after the verb know, to is used, not by. Now, dear students, I am giving you a chart where preposition to and with may be used instead of preposition by. Look at the board. Now dear students, look at the board. Known to, surprised at, shocked at, pleased with, filled with, covered with, satisfied with, annoyed with, seized with, etc. Now remember that after these verbs, preposition to, at or with may be used instead of preposition by. Okay? Now dear students, I will discuss rule 5. Now, dear students, rule 5. Voice change with model verbs or models. Model verb বা model সহ voice পরিবর্তন. Now here, remember that model verbs are shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, ought to, must. Now, dear students, in this case, we have to follow a structure. Now the structure is now here the structure is subject plus model verb plus be plus past participle plus I plus object. For example, now here example number 1, active voice. We should obey our parents. Here we subject, should model verb, obey main verb or principal verb, our parents object. So here according to structure, the object of active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. Here our parents. Next, according to structure, subject model verb. Here model verb is should. Next, according to structure be. Next, past participle. Form of obey is obey. Next, by. Next, this subject of active voice becomes the object of the passive voice. Here we ask. Now the passive voice is our parents should be obeyed by us. Okay. Now number 2, we want to love our country. Here we subject ought to model verb. Main verb love, our country object. So here the passive voice is the object of active voice becomes the subject of the passive voice. Here our country. Now according to structure subject, this is subject. Next model verb. Here model verb is ought to. Next, according to structure B, past participle form of the verb love, loved. By plus object. This subject of active voice becomes the object of the passive voice. Here we ask. Now here the passive voice is our country ought to be loved by us. Okay. Now dear students, next time we will discuss rule 6. Now here rule 6, voice change from passive to active. Passive থেকে active voice এর পরিবর্তন. Now here passive voice without object. Object ব্যতীত passive voice. Dear students, sometimes in the passive voice the object is not mentioned. So in that case, suitable subject will be used in the active voice according to the meaning of the sentence. Here in case of indefinite person, someone is used. Okay. Dear student, passive voice কোনো কোনো সময় লক্ষ্য করা যায় অবজেক্টের কোনো উল্লেখ থাকে না। এই ক্ষেত্রে উপযুক্ত অবজেক্ট ধরে নিতে হবে। এখন এই উপযুক্ত অবজেক্টকে প্যাসিভ ভয়েসে অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েসে সাবজেক্ট হিসেবে নিয়ে সমাধান করতে হবে। এই ক্ষেত্রে অনির্দিষ্ট ব্যক্তির ক্ষেত্রে সামওয়ান ব্যবহৃত হয়। ফর এক্সাম্পল, নাম্বার 1, প্যাসিভ active. Now dear students, example number 1, passive voice. My pen has been stolen. Here we see that the object is not mentioned here, so suitable object will be taken. Now here notice the meaning of the sentence. My pen has been stolen. আমার কলমটি চুরি হয়েছে by dash, কার দ্বারা? And here we think that the person is indefinite. এখানে আমরা লক্ষ্য করি যে ব্যক্তি হলো অনির্দিষ্ট. So here in this case, in case of indefinite person, someone is used. So here suitable object will be someone. So here the active voice is the object of passive voice becomes the subject of the active voice, someone. This is present perfect tense because the auxiliary verb is has been, and next the past participle form of the verb is given, stolen. So this is present perfect tense. So the structure of present perfect tense is subject plus have oblique has plus V3 or past participle form of the verb plus extension. Okay. Now this structure. Now according to structure, someone next has past participle form of the verb is stolen. Stolen. Now this subject of passive voice becomes the object of the active voice. My pen here my pen. Okay. Now the active voice is someone has stolen my pen. Now example number 2, passive voice, the keep was word. Now here the object is not mentioned, so suitable object will be taken here. Now here try to understand the meaning of the sentence. The thief was caught. চোরটি ধরা পড়েছিল by dash, কার দ্বারা? Who catches a thief? Generally we know that a police catches a thief. So the suitable object will be the police. এখানে আমরা জানি যে চোরকে সাধারণত পুলিশে ধরে, সুতরাং suitable object will be by the police. Now the active voice is the object of passive voice becomes the subject of the active voice. Here, the police. Now this is past indefinite tense because here the auxiliary verb is was and next the past participle form of the verb is given or. So according to structure, the past indefinite tense is subject plus V2 past form of verb plus expression. So here the active voice will be the structure of past indefinite tense. The police next V2 past form of verb or. Okay. The police got subject plus V2 plus object plus expression. Okay. Now the subject of passive voice becomes the object of the active voice. Now here the so here the active voice is the police or the. Okay. Now dear students, I will discuss rule 7. Now, dear students, rule 7, voice change of imperative sentence. Here we will learn 3 classes of voice change of imperative sentence. Number 1, now here number 1, imperative sentence with main verb oblique do oblique do not. মূল ভার্ব যুক্ত বা ডু যুক্ত বা ডু নট যুক্ত imperative sentence এর ভয়েস পরিবর্তন. Now here we will follow a structure. Now here the structure is let plus object plus be plus past participle. For example, number 1. Now, dear students, here number 1 example, active voice, do the work. Now here, follow, do. Now this is imperative sentence with do. Do যুক্ত imperative sentence. Number 2, do not. Now here, imperative sentence with do not. Do not যুক্ত imperative sentence. Now number 3, open, main verb. Now this is imperative sentence with main verb. মূল ভার্ব যুক্ত imperative sentence. So number 1, active voice do the work. The passive voice is and here do main verb. The work object. So here according to structure, let at first let plus object let the work according to structure B, past participle form of the verb do, done. Now here passive voice is let the work be done. Number 2, do not tell a lie. Now here this is negative form, do not. So the passive voice will start with let not. Now here the structure will be let oblique let not. Remember it. The structure is let oblique let not plus object plus be plus past participle. Okay. Now here do not negative form. So the structure will start with let not. Let not plus object. Now here object is a line. Here main verb is kill. Let not the object a line. Let not a line. Now according to structure B plus past participle form of the verb tell, told. Now the passive voice is let not a line be told. Okay. Number 3, active voice open the door. Now here according to structure let plus object. Here the object is the door. Let the door. Now according to structure B, past participle form of the verb open, opened. Now the passive voice is let the door be open. Okay, dear students. Next, I will discuss rule 2. Here, rule 2. Now here rule 2, imperative sentence with main verb plus personal object. মূল ভার্ব প্লাস পার্সোনাল অবজেক্ট বা ব্যক্তিগত অবজেক্ট যুক্ত imperative সেন্টেন্সের প্যাসিভ ভয়েস. Now here we will follow a structure. Now here the structure is let plus direct object plus be plus past participle plus for oblique to plus personal object. For example, now number 1 active voice, give me a baby. Here give main verb, me personal object. So this is the imperative sentence with main verb plus personal object. Number 2 plus main verb, me personal object. So here it is imperative sentence with main verb plus personal object. So we have to follow this structure. let plus direct object plus be plus past participle plus for oblique to plus personal object. So here give me a pen, active voice. Passive voice is according to structure let plus direct object. A pen is here, direct object. A pen. Let a pen according to structure B. Next, past participle form. Give, given. Next, preposition to. Next, personal object. Me. So here the passive voice is let a pen be given to me. Here remember that after the verb given, to is used, not for. Number 2, active voice, pluck me a flower. Here pluck main verb, me personal object, a flower direct object. So the passive voice is according to structure let plus direct object is a flower. Next B, past participle form, plucked. Now here preposition for. Now personal object according to structure me. So here passive voice is let a flower be plucked for me. Here remember that after the verb plucked for is used. Okay. Here you will also remember that after most of the verb for is used. Okay. Now dear students, rule 3. Imperative sentence with now here rule 3, imperative sentence with let plus personal object. And here we will follow another structure. Now here the structure is let plus direct object plus be plus past participle plus by plus personal object. For example, number 1, active voice. Now number 1, let him do the work. Here let plus him personal object. So this is imperative sentence with let plus personal object. So here the passive voice is according to structure let plus direct object. Here the direct object is the work. Let the work. According to structure B, past participle form of the verb do, done. By, according to structure. Personal object him. Here the passive voice is let the work be done by him. Okay. Number 2, here let plus the girl personal object. Here this is imperative sentence with let plus personal object. So here the passive voice is according to structure let plus direct object. Let a song direct object. According to structure B, past participle form of sing is sang. SUNG, sung. According to structure by personal object, the God. So here the passive voice is latest song is sung by the God. Okay. Now, dear students, in today's class, we have learned Rule 4, Rule 5, Rule 6 and Rule 7 of voice sense. Now, I hope that you will practice them at home. So, dear students, your home task is homework or home task. Homework is dear students, your homework is you will practice the good questions of 2019, 2018 and 2017. Okay, dear students, I wish you success in the future. Hope to see you again. Thank you very much.